Hello, welcome to 77's Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. Hello, welcome to the greenhouse series. Let me show you what's going on in the greenhouse. Let's go. So at the front of the greenhouse here, we have some vegetables in containers. On this side we have water leaf and some onions. Let me show you the onions. You can see the onions producing flowers already, and the flowers, I'm hoping to get a lot of seeds from these flowers, so that way next year I'll have more seeds and I'll start my onions early. So you can see the onions are getting ready, getting bigger. Same with these over here. Check out my video on how you can grow onions like this in container. Very easy to do, and you get some good quality organic onions. On this side over here, I have pecan or sweet bitter leaf. You can see these ones are ready to be harvested already, looking really great. We have some African spinach or green showing up over here. I think this one came up by itself, but it just growing very big and tall over there. We have some water leaf over here, and we have a few of them that we just transplanted in these containers over here. So next, let's go inside and see. Greenhouse is coming along great. It's looking awesome. Check out the this is a sweet bitter leaf, the bitter leaf that's used for ndole and other stuff. You can see the size of the leaves. It's coming. It's gonna get a lot bigger than this, but you can see, and you can see this. There's a stem like this, and it's just getting better and better with the warmer temperatures and good conditions in the greenhouse, and the awesome potting mix is just exploding with leaves. And so hopefully within a week or so we should be able to harvest this sweet bitter leaf. Over here we have another one. This is a smaller one. We harvested some of the leaves already for some other stuff that we use to cook some sauce. This one over here is anchor. You can see the anchor is coming along great. This is the anchor from last year that we brought inside because we didn't have a lot of seeds, so we just use that as a precaution to make sure that we have a backup just in case the seeds don't pan out. But the seeds came out very well, and we have a lot of anchor seeds. You can see we planted all these anchor right here from seeds that we got from our old plant last year. These over here, the anchor came out. This is our lemongrass right here. Lemongrass is doing great. And so up here we have our peppers over here, and these are the hottest peppers in the world. We have ghost pepper, habanero pepper, we have scorpion pepper. So I'll say at least 3 of the top peppers in the world. We're growing them over here, and they are doing really well. You can see they producing some little tiny buds already. So we're gonna get good quality and a good quantity peppers this year in this greenhouse. And down here we have water leaf, sweet bitter leaf. These are big leaf huckleberries, and these ones the leaves get very big. So these are the biggest ones that I've seen. There's a different variety of huckleberries. There are so many different varieties, but I have two different varieties, the small leaves and the big leaves, but there are so many other different varieties. So we have water leaf over here that we harvested already, and over here we have anchor and some water leaf that's coming out. We just have to transplant some of them into the garden, and the rest are gonna grow in there. And let's check this other side of the greenhouse. We have the other sweet bitter leaf over here and chair over here. You can see this one also is doing well. The sweet bitter leaf is doing well. Like I said, hopefully we're gonna harvest it maybe within a week should be able to harvest these, and they're gonna continue producing. And over here we have more anchia. Over here we have some water leaf and anchia in these containers over here, and we have peppers in the rest of the containers. So these are the bell peppers. We have like 4 or 5 containers over here of bell peppers, and they're all coming along great. You can see the bell pepper right there is coming up, and they're already producing quite a few. You can see a bigger one right here. So check out my video on how you can grow peppers like this and tomatoes in containers. I have quite a few videos on that, so check out my videos and my playlist. If you like the video so far, smash the like button. If you're not following me yet, follow me for more videos like this, and don't forget to share. If you have any questions, leave comments below and I'll try to answer as many as possible. So over here, let's check. So over here we have becang or sweet bitter leaf. We harvested these ones already. So we did this second harvest of sweet bitter leaf. Check out my video for this first harvest. We did the second harvest like a week ago. You can see more is being produced right now. Same with all these down here. These ones are getting ready to be harvested. Like I said, once you harvest them, it just after the first harvest, it just keeps producing, and you're able to harvest nearly every other week or so. And this is our huckleberry that we saved it from last year to be able to get some seeds, and we're able to get the seeds, and the seeds are the ones that give us these huckleberries right here. So definitely save seeds, and that way you don't have to buy seeds, and you don't have to worry about getting seeds from the store. Over here we have some water leaf. They're all coming along great. We harvested these already, and same with this over here. So same, we have water leaf and sweet bitter leaf over here. We have a few other plants that we transplanted over here. The sweet bitter leaf, we transplanted them over here just to give them a little bit more head start, and a few of them are going to be taken out and planted in the garden, and the rest are going to stay in the containers over here. Same with water leaf. We harvested, like I said, we harvested some water leaf and some becang already, and they're all doing great. We have some I planted some cantaloupe in here just to get some get it going, even though it's a little bit late, but just put in the garden. Whatever comes out, we're gonna be able to get maybe get something from that. Over here we have water leaf, and the water leaf we harvested some already, and you can see a lot of small ones coming up. After the harvest, it gives you much spread of the main branch, and you get quite a few coming out. And this is over here you have the sweet bitter leaf. Sweet bitter leaf, these ones that we started from seeds, and they're doing well. We just have a few water leaf here that we're just gonna take out and transplant those into other containers or in the green or in the garden. But we have the sweet bitter leaf is coming out great. You can see the ones over here. These ones I got them from cuttings that I had from the old plants. I did the cuttings in the spring, and they were able to give me some nice cuttings. So these two right here, I got them from cuttings, and this one over here are from seeds. Seeds that we got last year. So it's tough to get sweet bitter leaf seeds, especially up north here where the temperature and the growing time is very short, and our temperatures don't last that much. But since I'm growing in the greenhouse, it gives me an opportunity to be able to do that, and also I'm able to take it inside to make sure that it's able to give me some seeds. So we have water leaf over here, we have sweet bitter leaf over here. We still have a tray of water leaves that was gonna go into the garden. This will be hopefully soon, and then the whole greenhouse will be just growing. So we still have a few of them that they just keep coming out. The seedlings keep coming out. I thought by now it will be done, but we have a few of them over here that we still have to transplant because they were very tiny, and some of the seeds came out once we took out the rest to transplant. and so that's gonna help fill up the garden. And over here we have sweet bitter leaf. We harvested these already, and this one behind here is the one that we had from last year, and I'm saving it this year. We're not harvesting it, so that gives us seeds. Let me show you. This is seeds right here. These seeds are ready, so all you need to do is pull the seeds out like this. You cut it out like that, and these are all seeds right here, and this will give you about 50 or more seeds. And you can see the seeds right there. So I'm saving that, and we're not gonna harvest that one over there, and another one I'm gonna show you in a minute. But those two plants are gonna stay like that. They're gonna provide us with a lot of seeds for next season. So you have to be thinking about the next season, especially if you have plants like this that you cannot easily find the seedlings in the store. You want to make sure that you're thinking about ways to make sure that you continue to get seedlings for the next season. So we have some water leaf here that we just some of them are gonna continue growing in here. The rest we're gonna pull them out and transplant into the garden. And same, we have some bitter leaf, water leaf over here. Down here we have the same thing. We have water leaf and bitter leaf over here, and this is the other sweet bitter leaf that I'm saving from last year too. I'm saving that for seeds. It's gonna give me some seeds, so I'm saving this one. So we have some water leaf over here and some chia over there. So those are some of the things that we have going in the greenhouse. So far everything is going well. The temperature has been really nice the past few weeks, and it's been very hot, and that's what these tropical plants love, the hot temperature. They love the hot temperature, so that way it does much better when it's hot. So that is it. That's the greenhouse right now. If you haven't seen the other videos, the other greenhouse videos, check out the greenhouse videos. It shows you how the greenhouse started from the beginning of spring up till now. So check out the videos, and if you like the video so far, smash the like button. If you're not following me yet, follow me for more videos like this, and don't forget to share. Leave a comment. If you have any comments, you have any questions, I'll try to answer as many as possible. Leave a comment below. Thank you so much for watching. Happy growing, everybody.